Okay, you guys, mission accomplished. Good morning. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's been a tiring morning for me. Got up early this morning and got my workouts in, which is very good. Do you want to say good morning? Say good morning. Say hello. Bye-bye. Not au revoir. Hi. Say bonjour. Bonjour. You guys, I got up this morning, got my workout in. I feel really good this morning, and yeah, hope you guys did your workout this morning. It's now Tyler's lunchtime, so I'm here feeding him some broccoli and potatoes and carrots that I made for him yesterday. And today should be packing day. I don't know if it's the first time doing any kind of big moving like this, but I don't know if it's the same for you guys wherever you guys are, where the company bring you all the boxes that you need to pack, and you can't pack fragile things. So I can't pack anything that is breakable. They have to come and pack it themselves, just in case anything happens to it on the way to where we're moving to. They're responsible for it. So the company should be here any minute now to give us boxes that we'll need. I'm actually waiting for them to arrive, and then yeah, I should get some packing done today, which is exciting. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I enjoy packing, I enjoy unpacking, I enjoy organizing and all that stuff. So I'm really looking forward to start packing some stuff today, and packing should go very smooth for me because Tyler is not a kind of person who is miserable. If I put him in his chair, he'll sit in his chair and watch me pack, or if I want him to help me, he'll help me throw things around. But other than that, Hubby and I also went ahead yesterday and organized Tyler's clothes and take out the ones that can't fit, because I'm going to either keep them in the storage, because we also have a storage attached to the apartment. I'm gonna either keep them in the storage for baby number 2. Baby number 2, there ain't no baby number 2. Or I am going to donate them somewhere. That's what's up for today. I'm actually hanging around just to wait on the company to come and give me the boxes, and then the packing shall begin. Okay, you guys, so just as I finish, you hear it already start echoing in here, so you know the moving starts to go down. So just as I finish feeding Tyler his lunch, I hear my doorbell ring and the boxes are here. So the packing is about to go down. I think they bring us. Yes, you want to say something? Tyler already take over the tips. They bring us. You're excited. You're excited. I think they bring us 25 boxes for clothes and miscellaneous items, and they bring us like 50 boxes for books. The boxes for books can also put anything in it. They just ask us not to put the books in the bigger boxes because the bigger boxes will make it too big and too heavy. So yeah, the boxes are here. I'm about to try to get myself in the frame of mind to figure out where to start first. But I think, seeing that the books are going in the smaller boxes, I think I'm just gonna start down here, because this little thing right here, this is a black cabinet looking thing, is just only books in there. So I'm about to get the packing started. You guys, I'm going on pretty well. My living room starts to look like somebody who is moving. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have already packed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, and that's just books from in here. So that's all empty, and that's all empty. Man, you want to say something for yourself? Guys, look at Tyler in his pigeon's shoes. He just likes to carry his shoes to me and mommy. Shoes? Shoes? You want to say something for yourself? Yes? Would you like to say hello? You want to say something? Shoes? He's watching the TV, so let me just leave him alone. Okay, you guys, so I am well on my way with packing. Going on good so far. So I'm super proud of me. And I'll just continue with all that packing. I'm actually down the living room because Tyler was sleeping in his room early and I didn't want to bother him, and I really wanted to start from his room, but I started from the living room. It's kind of crazy, start from the bottom up, but I'm doing well, so progress happening already. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is day 2 of the packing dilemma. Should I call it dilemma? I don't even know, but I'm well on my way. Hi Papa. He's just looking at me. You wanna say hi? Yeah. You wanna say hello? Say hello, tell everybody you're reading. Yes, that's a book. Book? Book. Thank you. Book. Book. You wanna say bye-bye? Bye-bye. He's so cute. Okay, you guys, so let me tell you my situation right now. I am doing so well. I'm so proud of myself because downstairs, the living room, actually just the living room, is almost done. The only thing is left to be done in the living room is to take down the TV stand, to take down the book closet, and to take down the table, and to take down the large picture frames on the wall. However, I can't do that because they said anything breakable I can't remove them. Only thing I'll do is remove the pictures from the wall maybe over the weekend, the big ones, just to wait on them on Wednesday to come and put them the way they want to put them. And then the big furnitures, they're gonna take them down and they're gonna put them back up. So you're getting realness to the realness on the face. Because the packing is going down, you guys. So the living room is all done basically. I have a few boxes down there. So I'm upstairs and I decided to start from Tyler's room this morning. But the funniest thing is that what really breaks my heart in some ways, that I have so many clothes that he has outgrown and they can't fit anymore. I really wish that I was in Jamaica in a case like this, because I know that these clothes would have done well to somebody, and all these shoes, even though it's not much, but to me it's a lot. And for me to ship them from France, it's super expensive to ship one little box to Jamaica, so I won't even bother to try to do that. The good thing is the apartment that we chose have a storage to it, so I'll just box them up, put them in a storage. Who knows, maybe baby number 2 might just be able to get them. You might never know. So yeah, look at these cute little shoes, you guys. Let me show you. Look at all these cute little he never wear these. And this one, he has never worn this one, but it has sentimental value. This one was from his dad when he was a baby, and his mom passed this down onto Tyler. But by the time it got to us, Tyler's foot was way already big and he couldn't wear that. This is one of his slippers that he only got a few wear from it. And this is one of his shoes that he used to love. This one, I used to love putting him in this one, and this one was also one of my favorite. He recently can't fit in this one anymore when he's in socks, so I don't even bother with it. But these is almost a box full of clothes, and I have some more in his closet that can't fit. Everything down here are things that he has outgrown. So I'm about to pack the outgrown stuff first, and then I'm gonna take all my shoes down from here and all my handbags and stuff and get this empty. We are supposed to leave here Wednesday afternoon, and we're supposed to reach our destination Thursday midday, around somewhere there. So I'm going to have to pack a small suitcase for us because we're stopping over at hubby's family Wednesday night before we head on to our journey Thursday. So I need to pack a little small suitcase before I pack all Tyler things up, and yeah, that should be it for today. I'm just doing his room today. Well, knowing me, I might do his room and the bathroom, and I don't know. But when I'm in work mood, I just get it done and get it out of the way. And this is something I really enjoy doing, so I really don't mind. So yeah, that's what's up today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I did my workout this morning. I wake a little bit earlier because I knew I had so many things to do today. So I wanted to get my workout done super early, so I was up early this morning. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I'll get back to my packing, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Guys, 2 boxes of unfit clothes for Tyler. Okay, you guys, mission accomplished. All the shoes are gone. You're playing drums? You're playing drum with the shoebox? Huh? You're playing drums? He was crying just now because he saw me took up his shoes. So normally when I take off his shoes, he knows he's gonna go outside, and he loves going outside. So he started crying. It just broke my heart. Say good night. Say good night. Good night. You guys, so it's Tyler bedtime. Hubby's home from work, and today was a good day. I got so much done. Feel super proud of myself for today. And tomorrow will just be another packing day for us. Well, for me at least, while hubby's at work. So yeah, I'm about to put this little sweet boy to bed. You ready to go to bed?
Hi, I'm the man who cleaned the house.
Well, he's not cleaning the house, he's cleaning the bottles to sterilize. You guys, my baby's off to bed and I am super tired, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.